In politics, a lifeline for small businesses hurting during the pandemic could be on the way.
Yeah, it's just one of several proposals Governor Kathy Hochul made during her first State of the State address. News 12's Jonathan Gordon is in downtown Yonkers. And Jonathan, what's in this billion-dollar rescue plan?
Yeah, well, there is quite a lot, but part of it is financial assistance and incentives, particularly targeted at small businesses to help keep the economy afloat going forward. And the reason it's small businesses, the governor says that they make up 98% of all businesses across the state.
Robert Rosario is the owner of Guapo Restaurant in downtown Yonkers. His business was returning last year after a difficult 2020, but Omicron had other plans.
Restaurant business just dropped again.
Rosario says there are several things the state can do to help him out, like bringing back alcohol to go, which he believes could boost his sales 25%, and offering financial assistance to offset the cost of COVID-related projects, like his outdoor seating area, which cost around $45,000 to build. And both are proposals in Governor Kathy Hochul's State of the State address.
With all the government help, it's going to be very, very hard.
It's not just his business. They're all hurting, according to Sarah Brody, the executive director of the Yonkers Downtown Business Improvement District, which works with 400 local organizations.
She wants to help the businesses that have struggled.
The governor also mentioned making it easier for businesses to access state and federal grants, as well as setting aside money for newly opened, women-owned, and minority-owned businesses.
So, Jonathan, what are the other major points Hochul made in her speech today?
Yeah, well, there are plenty of different things that the governor talked about in this 30-minute speech. Why don't we take a look at them? Starting with term limits for state employees. That, of course, would be a big one in the executive branch. Another one being a tax break for more than 6 million New Yorkers within the next year. And a lot of money, $10 billion being invested towards health care, of course, with COVID still lingering on. Something really at the top of our minds and the governor's as well.